So hello guys, what's up? This is Bahram from Linguist channel. If you're watching me right now, it means you want to know what are the best apps for YouTubers. In these days, it's important to have the ability to edit, respond the comments, and basic maintenance on their YouTube pages from their phones. General from our phones, okay? Not all the apps are suitable for YouTubers because a beginner YouTuber, he or she doesn't want to pay a lot of money or in a month or in a year. So we should find some apps which are free, and at least if they are have payments, it should be a logical cost. So what are these apps? Guys, please subscribe our channel before you start and put comments. I'm gonna respond to your comments as soon as possible as I can. So let's go and see what are these 5 best apps. So first of all is YouTube Creator Studio app. This official YouTube app makes it faster and easier to manage your account and check your last status and respond to comments and get notifications so you can stay connected from everywhere and anywhere. So you can monitor your channel and video performance easy peasy and filter and respond your comment and messages, get notification when something important happens, update video details and monetization setting, and you can also manage your playlist. This was the first app, and which is you have to use it every day, and every day you make a video on YouTube. It's one of the useful, and it's actually the most useful one. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 is iMovie. iMovie is an editing app which is available for iPhones, and you can edit and enjoy your videos like never before. It's easy to browse your clips and create Hollywood style trailers and stunning 4K resolution movies. You can ever start editing on iPhone and iPad and finish on your MacBook or whatever. Number 3 is Camera Plus Pro, which is Camera Plus focus on providing user with greater control of captures, whereas it's amazing HDR, cool editing options, and amazing live filters. Camera Plus Pro has got you covered. Video recording features includes white balance lock, pre-record controls of exposure, brightness lock, and time-lapse video, which is blowing your mind. So this is about the third one. Let's go to the fourth as soon as possible. Last one is the best one, is TubeBuddy. This TubeBuddy is actually an extension in Chrome or your Explorer. You can add it easy peasy. I will gonna show you in another video. I put the explanation of TubeBuddy in description, so you can use it as a beginner. But TubeBuddy has its own price and payments. So if you want to use the free option, you have to aware that it's not it doesn't cover all the YouTube supports and YouTube for YouTubers. So if you want TubeBuddy, you have to add it to your extension, and it's going to be useful. It will show you the analysis on the other competitors' web pages. And for example, if you want to make a tag on your YouTube, you can see the other tags, and which is they are low, good, very good, and excellent level. And then you can use this tag and to have more views and to have more subscribers, actually loyal subscribers. So these were the 5 best apps I could recommend you. Do not forget about TubeBuddy. Also, there is another app which I'm gonna explain you, PixArt and also Canvas, which is they are really awesome for your thumbnails. Which is, if you don't know thumbnails, I will put in my description what is the thumbnails and why we do need some thumbnails. Also, do not forget about TubeBuddy. Download it and add it to your Google Chrome right now because it's very useful. Guys, please subscribe our channel, put the comments in chat. You can connect with us with our Instagram, Telegram, and of course with comments in YouTube. I will try to answer all of your comments as soon as possible. So guys, until next time, love you, goodbye.